It comes with this dust bag, obviously, that says Burberry. As you can see, the original price of it was 700 and I'm just gonna give it a quick open. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kiki Lifestyle. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In this channel you'll find videos about shopping and lifestyle. I also do seasonal vlogs to Bicester Village and Selfridges. So if you are into realistic luxury, intentional shopping, good high street finds and lifestyle video, this is your place. This is your place to stay. Please press that subscribe button so the next time you won't miss out when I upload a video. I tend to upload videos weekly, mostly on a Sunday or on a Thursday, so it all depends on how ready they are. And you can also check my channel. You will see I have recent vlog for Selfridges and also Bicester Village. I'm going to talk about those two places in a minute, but first of all I just want to show you guys what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing something very simple. My top is from ZARA. This top is not new. I've had them for a couple of years now, and I am wearing it with black trousers from ASOS. So if you're not from the UK, or if you're from Europe or America, or even if you're from the UK but you don't know about Bicester Village is a designer outlet where you can buy your discounted designer item. You will find stores like Gucci, Versace, The Wavy, Jimmy Choo, Christian Louboutins. They have so many shops, including rituals where you can buy your home fragrance. You will find a makeup store. You will find so many stores there. You can find Aquazuri there where you can get your heels from. There's a lot. And then sometimes they also do extra discounts. So if you go to the seasonal sales time, you can find brands that will be adding extra 20% off on top of the 70% off items. This is actually amazing, guys. You should go and visit. Or if you can't go there, you can always contact me. I'm not a personal shopper. I'm not a qualified personal shopper, but I can help you. Sis can help. You know, the times that I go there, I can grab you an item, or if you like anything you have seen in my video, next time I go there, I can actually grab it for you. Without wasting any time, today's video I'm going to unbox the bag that I recently purchased from Bicester Village and a few things that I purchased through winter. I know the winter's going towards the end, but some of these items you can always find them, or you can always, you know, it can always come back next winter. The first thing I'm going to start with is this fair jacket, this chocolate fair jacket or fair coat that I got from Next. This is now out of stock, but you can find a similar item that is close to it. So I've rinsed out this coat. I've worn it the entire winter because it's so warm, it's so soft, and it's just easy to wear. It just goes with everything, I would say. I got it for like £80, but it was like 90 something pound, but now it's out of stock, and they still have similar item into the shop or the store. And I love to shop in Next because it sells amazing look for moms, amazing look for young girls, amazing look for anyone that was to dress modesty. So it's really somewhere to be going, and the quality for Next is unmatched. Even when you're shopping for your children, the clothes there is unmatched. So I recommend you to visit Next website, so you'll find a lot of things there too. Moving forwards, I'm going to show you these boots that I've got from H&M. H&M is really a store where you can go there when you want to elevate your look, you want to change your wardrobe a little bit, because they have amazing styles in there. And I love the price range. So their price start from anything affordable to high prices, but I would recommend you to always shop from the higher prices, because those things there, they last you for long, because they are very good quality. And also the mix with different brands in there. I think they do all that in Stories. They do a few more other brands in there, which you can still buy from H&M, but yeah, they come from these other stores. You should check H&M. They have very nice coats in there, like things that you can wear a lifetime. The next thing I'm going to talk about is these loafers that I got from ASOS. I feel like ASOS is like my wardrobe. Every time I'm looking for something to wear, I will always go to ASOS, because there I'll find a lot of things, because the combination of a lot of shops into one place is very good, because you will go in there, you will find brands like Topshop, Bershka, River Island. You'll find them all there. So I love to go in ASOS. Let's say I have a night, you know, I have like an outfit in mind and I don't know where to start. I'll quickly go to ASOS and just tap in the search bar. It will bring me a lot of lovely styles, and I will just pick and choose, or maybe just pick the things that are already put together for you. So that's how good shopping in ASOS is. Okay guys, I haven't actually opened up my recent purchase in ASOS yet, but I'm not going to open the entire thing. I'm just going to show you the bag that I've got recently from ASOS as well. This is the bag. This is what I've got. This is the bag. This is what I bought from ASOS. I just love mini bags like this sometimes, you know, and something that can go on the shoulder. I'm just gonna give it a quick open so you guys can see how it looks like. I'm not sure how I feel about it, because on the website it looked different than now. So this is the bag. This is a JW PII bag, and it's my first time actually buying from this brand. This bag was £110, but I got it for £99. This is called a Nova Mini bag in denim blue. I just love it, but on the website it actually looked quite big than this. So I'm not sure if I should keep it or return it, because I don't know. I just don't know how many things that can fit in this bag. This is the inside of it. Probably phone, lipsticks and keys. This is, you know, this is how it looks like. Probably I'm going to put my phone inside and actually see how it looks like. So I'm going to take this out. It's actually quite big. It's quite big horizontally. My phone can go in there, and then I still have space. Look, I still have like a big space to fit in other things in there. And then I just don't know how I feel about it, but it's actually a nice bag. It's a very good material. So, and it goes on the shoulder, like it's a shoulder bag. This shoulder bag, it's not bad at all, you know, it's giving sexy, you know. I can carry this bag like to brunch or restaurant, or if I'm going to meet my girls, like, yeah, it's actually super cute. I'm gonna think about it. I'm not sure, I'm not really sure for the price, but I'm just gonna think about it and see if I should keep it or return it. But it's a nice bag. This video is not sponsored, so it's just me talking about the shops that I like to go and shop most of the time. And also ZARA. I really love ZARA. ZARA is a top one, because ZARA, but I don't know, I'm gonna say something about ZARA. I don't know where they're going with the prices though, because things just keeps increasing in ZARA, like, hey, slow down. But with ZARA, I'll share a secret. I'll share a secret when it comes to ZARA. If you want to shop in ZARA, the best time to shop in ZARA, forget Boxing Day, end of January sale. Yeah, so ZARA is just exceptional. Like, they have beautiful coats, beautiful blazer. They have a lot of things. I will do a whole vlog just for ZARA. I will take you guys to a store and then I'll show you what they have. Even the homeware, they have very beautiful homeware as well in ZARA. I just really love it. Without any further ado, let me unbox my bag that I got from Bicester Village. Ever since I bought it, I haven't actually opened it. I haven't actually checked inside to see until I make this video. It comes with this dust bag, obviously, that says Burberry. This is the bag I got. This is how it looks like. Oh my God, I'm so in love with this bag, like for everyday bag. I really love it. And as you can see, it's not small. It's not actually small. This is actually a good size. I'm going to try my phone in there. I can actually carry a lot of stuff in this bag. Okay, I can actually carry a lot of things in there. So this is how it opens. And as you can see inside, and it comes with this crossbody strap. So I'm going to try my phone in there and see how it fits in there. Bear with me. This is how big the bag is, by the way. So it's not small. Look at it. Guys, look at how my phone is just going in there as if, you know, there's not any business. So I'm putting my 17 Pro Max in there. Like, this is how big it is. Hang on, there's something in there. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take this out, and yeah, this is how it goes. Honestly, look at that. So my phone will fit there, my keys, my lipstick. I can fit in a lot of stuff inside this bag, especially as a mom. You just need a bag where you can just put it across your body and leave the house. So yeah, I love the size. The size is amazing. As I said to you guys, this bag came from £790, I believe so. And it went down, let me see if they put a price here actually. Yes, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see, I'm going to bring the price closer to you. As you can see, the original price of it was £790. That was the original price for it. And then it went down to £500, so 550. But the day I went to Bicester Village, they had this promotion going on. If you see this color here, this blue here, they had 3 different colors. They had yellow, green, and blue. So if your item has blue on it, you get an extra 50% off. So if it has like yellow on there, you get like an extra 70% off. Or if you have green on there, you get like an extra, I think 20% off, if I don't mistake. Anyway, go to my Bicester Village vlog, you will see it there. So this one had a blue sticker on there. That's why I got an extra 50% off, and then I bought this for £275. That's how much this bag cost me. I just love it. I love it for everyday bag. Like, honestly, I really love it. I can even carry it like this, you know. But I would prefer to carry it over the shoulders, I think, or maybe crossbody, which is nice. So I'm in love. I'm in love for everyday bag. I'm in love with this bag. The material, it has a very, very nice leather material on top here. And in here, you have the Burberry statement material over here. And on the back of it, yeah, it's leather as well. That's all. And then the strap are also leather, you know. And then, yeah, it says Burberry London, England in there, right there. So yeah, this is my bag. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe so that you won't miss out any new video on my channel. And please leave me a comment, a like, and share with your friends and family. Shall see you next time. Bye.